Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to see the solution of the problem, that is coin changes. So in the previous videos we have already seen the problem statement, that what the problem was asking us and what the things that we need to return. So in this video we are going to see the solution. So in order to solve this problem we are going to create a DP of size, basically of the size amount plus 1. Okay, so suppose the amount is 11 here, so the TP size will be 11 plus 1. Okay, so 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11. Okay, so from 0 to 11 it is 12. Okay, so now the thing is that how we are going to populate this TP, what is the logic that we are going to use in order to fill this TP, and what does this index represent. So this index represents the amount, okay, that we are going to generate with the help of this coins array. Okay, and in this TP what we are going to fill is the minimum number of points, the minimum number of points that we are going to use from this coins array in order to generate this amount. So for 0, so in order to generate an amount of 0, how many coins we require? We basically require 0 coins. Okay, so we are going to fill this place with 0, and we are going to use it as the base case also. Okay, now in order to generate 1, what we are going to do, so the thing that we are going to use here now is that when we try to find a minimum value, we initialize the variable with max value. Okay, and vice versa, that when we try to find the maximum value of something, so we initialize the variable with minimum value. So this is basically, you can say it is an identity. Okay, so we will fill this complete thing, this dp with mat.maxValue. Okay, now in order to generate the amount, the coin should be less than amount or equal to the amount. So what we are going to do is, if coins, so this is from this coins array only, if coins is less than or equal to the I, which is equal to amount, and dp of I minus coins is not equal to mat.max. Okay, so why we are using this? So suppose that there is an amount of 5. Okay, and with the help of, suppose, a coin of denomination 2, we are going to generate this amount. So 5 minus 2, suppose, is 3. Okay, so I minus coin, that is 5 minus the coin value, 5 minus 2, 3. So if dp of 3 is math.max integer value, what does that mean? That from this coins array we are not able to generate a value of 3. So if we are not able to generate a value of 3, it means that we will not be able to generate a value of 5 also, because the amount 5 depends on the amount 3. So these are the two cases that we require. Okay, so let me write it more clearly here, that wait. So if coins is less than or equal to I, and dp of I minus coin is is not equal to basically mat.max, then we are going to do something. It means that the coin is less than the amount, so we can generate the amount from this coin, as well as dp of I minus coin means from from the dependent amount we can also generate this thing. Okay, so I hope you have understood what I'm trying to tell. Okay, so suppose we take the example of 2 here. So what we are going to do, we were at 1 only. First we need to fill this one. Okay, so we will run a for loop in our coins array, and the amount is 1. Suppose amount is equal to 1 here, and we run a for loop in our coins array, so we will reach at 1 first. So we will check that if coins is less than or equal to I, so basically 1, the coins value is 1 and the amount is also 1, so which is equality here. So the first case is good. And dp of I minus coin, that is dp of 1 minus 1, that is dp of 0, is not equal to mat.max. So we have already seen that it is not mat.max, it is equal to 0. Okay, then what we are going to do, we are going to fill this amount. So how we are going to fill this amount? We are going to use mat.min function, and this will take two parameters basically. One will be the dp of I, and another one will be 1 plus dp of I minus coin. Okay, dp of I minus coin. dp of I, we have already initialized all these values with mat.max. Okay, mat.max. Okay, so it will check that mat.min of mat.max, maximum value, versus 1 plus dp of I minus coin, it is equal to 0. So minimum value will be 1 itself, so we will fill this thing. We are going to fill this thing with 1. Okay, so now we will take one more example in order to understand it more clearly. So suppose in order to fill the dp of 2, what we are going to do, so the amount is equal to 2 here. Okay, so we are going to run a for loop. So first we will reach at a coin 1. What we are going to do, we are going to satisfy these two if conditions, that if coins is less than I. So here amount or I is basically 2 and the coin is 1, so 1 is less than 2, so first condition is getting satisfied. Okay, now dp of I minus coin should not be equal to mat.max. So dp of I minus coin is dp of 2 minus 1, which is equal to dp of 1, and that is not equal to mat.max since it is 1. So we are going to run this thing. Okay, now mat.min of dp of I, so initially it is mat.max only, mat.max. So we are going to use mat.min of mat.max, comma 1 plus dp of I minus coin, so it is equal to dp of 1, so dp of 1 is equal to 1 here, so 1 plus 1 2. So we will fill this thing with 2 here. Now we will again move to the next element, that is 2 itself. Okay, if coin is less than or equal to I, so since 2 is equal to 2, amount is equal to coin, we can run this thing. And dp of I minus coin, dp of 2 minus 2, which is not equal to mat.max since it is 0. So these two if conditions are getting satisfied. Now we will move to this thing, mat.min of dp of I. So dp of I, initially dp of 2, we have populated it with 2. So dp of 2 is going to be 2 here, comma 1 plus dp of basically 1 plus dp of 2 minus 2. I minus coin will be 2 minus 2. So dp of 0, 1 plus. Since we need to find the minimum, minimum, so it will become 1 only. This tells that with the help of the a coin of denomination 2, we can use only we have used only a single coin in order to generate this this amount, so which is less than the which is less than the coins required with the help of the denomination 1. So we are going to fill it with 1. So in this way we are going to fill this, basically populate this this DP, and this last 11th one will return the minimum number of coins required to generate an amount of 11. So in this way we are going to get the solution. We are going to return this DP of amount, basically DP of amount will be our solution. So this is the whole logic that we are going to use in order to solve this problem. Thank you.